In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and integrate custom audio for your video projects using ElevenLabs and CapCut. This straightforward guide is perfect for content creators looking to enhance their video production with professional sounding audio. So let's dive in and start this creative journey. First, let's focus on generating audio using ElevenLabs. Begin by heading over to the ElevenLabs website. If you're new to the platform, you'll need to create an account, which is quick and easy. Just follow the instructions provided. For those who already have an account, simply log in using your credentials. Once you're in, locate the text-to-speech tool. This is where the magic happens. Paste the script that you'd like to convert into audio. The platform supports a variety of voices, so you'll want to select one that best fits the mood or style of your video. Additionally, you can customize settings such as stability and style to further tailor the audio to your needs, ensuring it sounds just right for your audience. After you've carefully crafted your audio profile, go ahead and click on Generate Speech. It's important here to preview the audio to make sure it's exactly how you want it. Once satisfied with the result, download the audio file to your device. This will set the foundation for the next step in our process. Now that we have our audio ready, let's move on to importing and syncing it in CapCut. Start by launching CapCut on your device. You can either open an existing project that you're working on or create a new one if you're starting fresh. With CapCut open, the next step is to bring in the audio we've just crafted. To do this, find the Import button. Alternatively, you can use the drag and drop method, taking the audio file directly from your downloads and placing it into the Media or Imports section of CapCut. Now, with the audio file safely in CapCut's media library, the task is to add it to your video. To achieve this, drag the audio file from the media area down onto the timeline. Once there, you'll want to align it perfectly with your video clip to ensure synchronization. Make sure you listen to the video as a whole to check the audio sync, making any necessary adjustments so everything flows seamlessly. And there you have it. With these steps, you've successfully generated custom audio and integrated it into your video project using CapCut. Custom audio can make a huge difference in the quality and engagement of your video content, so take pride in these new skills. Practice will make perfect as you become more familiar with these tools. Thank you for following along today, and best of luck with your future audio-visual projects.